Hello and welcome. This is Lot with Black Bear Dog Trading. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope your year started off absolutely with a bang, and every resolution you set for yourself that you're able to achieve it. Absolutely no reason why you can't. I wanted to talk about AI and trading. There is so much talk about AI and how it is going to revolutionize the world, and it made me wonder, would AI actually work with trading? I know it's going to have a major impact on financial institutions and how we bank and pay and whatnot, but how about trading specifically, be it stocks, currencies, cryptocurrencies, bonds, whatever commodity it may be? In my case, since I'm a Forex trader, I decided that I was going to create a bot that is AI based, that has data stored in the cloud from 5 years ago. And as it goes on, analyzing my chart, entering trades, exiting trades, setting stop loss, taking profit, whatever have you, it logs all that information and adds to the existing data that I have stored on the cloud, and basically learns from itself and see what would really happen here. So I decided to try it out, and while this has only been really running for a day, I kind of want to show you what I've achieved here so far. There are three premises that I have that the AI is not allowed to touch. Those are hard coded. Number one, um, I only have one open trade at a time. I don't want the AI to open up a trade that it thinks is good for every darn currency pair or every opportunity. I only want one open trade at a time. It can't override that. It's to protect myself, obviously. Number two, I want to cool down between trades, whether I have a winning trade or a losing trade, doesn't matter. I want a cool down period. I've set that hard coded again to 7 minutes. And what that means is it gives the AI a chance to kind of gather all the data behind the scenes, store it in what I call a histogram. And the histogram is once every 1,000 ticks forwarded to the cloud, and also gives me a printout on the screen so I can look at what it has been tracking, what it has been doing behind the scenes, and then see where it's tweaking, where it's not tweaking. The third requirement that I have is drawdown protection, which you see right here in action. Let me move myself right here, which you see right here in action. And based on what I achieve right here, profit or loss, excuse me, the drawdown will automatically update and adjust. I have the drawdown set again hard coded to 10%. Once that's reached, if it gets reached, all trading stops and the AI can't do anything else. The order that is open is closed, again, to protect myself, and that's where it stays. So at this point in time, this has been running for about a day and a half on its own without any interference of my part, opening orders, closing orders, be it buy or sell. And at this point in time, I want to show you what the results are. Let me open this window a lot more. And let me go, by the way, let me just move myself here once and for all. As you see, it calculates whether there's an up score or a down score. It compares the two. Right now, the down score is in the trash zone, meaning there is no possible sell signal whatsoever. The up score is in developing mode, meaning that the trend is slightly moving upwards, but it's only in the starting phase. Currently, we have 90 of 1,000 ticks. It will have to reach 1,000 ticks before it sends out the full diagnostic. And again, I get a printout on the screen showing you what it's like. It calculates my lot size, and based on all sorts of parameters, there is no risk percentage set at all. This is strictly based on ATR and volume and trend, and I allow the AI to do that completely on its own. Here you see it just updated it. Final lot now is 85.85. Again, I don't interfere with that at all. So it just triggered an entry position buy right here. So this is what this is, and we'll see how it goes. And as you noticed right here, this is the last time I moved myself, promise. As you see right here, automatically sets the stop loss and the take profit. I don't alter this in any way, shape, or form. I let it be. What it also does is once it hits profit it gets into profit for 10 pips, I've set it to 10 pips, then the stop loss will automatically move 2 pips above break even, and a trailing stop will continue to start locking in profit. Again, it's all done by the AI. I have no interference with this whatsoever. So let's see what the results have been so far. Well, as it is right now, it did a trade this morning, and that ended up in a loss. But it had, how many is this? 10 winning trades. This is when I started out right here, and it had a winner, it had a loss here, a loss here, and a winner here again, and a loss here. So we'll see, as it turns out, most of the losses that I suffered when you look at it were buys. So because I allowed the bot to trade either direction, that caused it seems that I do better with sell than, or the AI does better with sell positions than with buy positions. But thus far, looking at the overall results, I mean, this is something, right here. This is not this is like 10 trades that it took, all one after another, all profitable. I mean, I don't know. Again, it's only been running for a day and a half. We'll have to monitor it and see. But I let it run and I let it do its thing. And I'm certainly going to make a follow-up video on this, but it does look promising. That much is for sure. So at this point in time, the drawdown is increasing. That means my loss got a little bigger, and this auto adjusts all of it. So it's just a wait and see now, and let's see where this trade ends up. And yeah, but from initial testing, AI does seem to work with Forex trading. It's going to take some tweaking. It's going to take some fine tuning. That much is for certain. But it seems like it is working the way it's supposed to. It seems like with a bit more algorithms and a bit more over time larger data collection, that this system has the capability of being fine-tuned to perfection. And with perfection, I mean a very, very high probability of winning trades. You're not going to have always winning trades, even with AI. But, thus far, it looks good. And I'm actually pleased with what I got here so far. Right now, it's starting to go down. My losses are decreasing, and this is very good. So, we'll see. But at this point in time, should you consider incorporating AI in your trading? I'm not going to tell you drop your manual trading, or if you use a regular bot that you've created for yourself or purchased somewhere, forget about that too. I'm not telling you that, but I am saying that you should definitely start looking into the possibility of incorporating portions of AI into your trading. Like, for example, entering. So AI is obviously much more accurate at finding entry positions and exit positions than a human eye or human reaction can possibly do. One other reason why I like this is not so much because of the potential of increase in profits, but because I take all my emotions out of every single trade. Whatever I do, during the course of my day. I don't need to worry. Signals are sent to my phone, so no matter where I am, I know automatically what is happening, whether a trade was opened, the stop loss was triggered, the take profit was taken, what the lot size is. I mean, on and on and on. So at first glance, yeah, I think AI is very promising, and I think AI most definitely has a future in Forex trading. So that's it for now. I just wanted to share that with you, and hope you still have a wonderful day. And as always, God bless.